Welcome to Garup Windows YouTube video channel. In this video, you will learn find graphics card on Windows 11 or 10. If your PC display is not working properly or you have purchased a new computer, you are curious to know which graphics card, video card, is installed on your PC, this Garup Windows article will help you. This article guides you through several ways to find our graphics card model on Windows 11 and 10. Let me show you one by one. How to check graphics card on Windows 11 using the Settings app. Open the Settings app by pressing Windows + I keys from the keyboard or any other method. When Windows Settings opens, select System from the left side pane. On the right sidebar, click the Display tab. Now, scroll down and click the Advanced Display option under the Related Settings section. Under the Display Information section, click on the link labeled Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. Note: if you have multiple displays connected, you can check the adapter details for all displays. A new pop-up window will open and display the graphics adapter type. Here, you can also find several other pieces of information, including chip type, total available graphics memory, dedicated video memory, system video memory, shared system memory, etc. How to find graphics card on Windows 11 or 10 via System Information. Press Windows + R keys from the keyboard to launch the Run dialog box. In the Run box, type Sinfo32, then click OK or press Enter key. Expand Components in the System Summary pane from the left sidebar and then click on Display. Here, you can view the graphics card, video card, model next to the adapter type. You may see several entries of GPU if your PC uses more than one graphics card, video card. How to find out graphics card details in Windows 11 and 10 using Task Manager. Task Manager is another option to find out the graphic cards on your PC. So, open Task Manager. To do that, press Ctrl + Shift + ESC keys from the keyboard. When Task Manager opens, navigate to the Performance tab and click on the GPU on the left sidebar. You may see several entries of GPU if your PC has more than one graphics card installed. You can see the video card details just below the GPU entry on the left sidebar, or after selecting it, you can view the details on the right sidebar top corner. How to view graphics card details in Windows 11 or 10 through Device Manager. To know the graphics or video card details in Windows 11 and 10 through Device Manager, open Device Manager. For that, right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters to view the installed graphics cards on your Windows 11-10 PC. That's it.